We'll guide you through how to hide any WhatsApp chat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to hide a chat on WhatsApp, perhaps you don't have to be reminded about it, or it's got some personal data in there and you want it to go and be hidden so others can't go and see it. We'll guide you through how this can be done. So to go and get started, come onto WhatsApp in your chats. Here we are. What you can then do is come onto one of the chats you want to do this with. Once you're in it, you then want to go to the top and you can go and tap on the name. Now you need to go and scroll down and you can find the option for lock chat. And what you can do is go and switch it on like so. Then what we can do is go and press continue. Keep watching as we aren't fully there. You then need to go and complete Face ID or some more verification. So now what you can do is go and repeat this. You could do another by dragging from the right to left. Then you can press more and press lock chat. There's a couple of different ways it can be done. So it's now locked and hidden. But if we go and drag down on the chat screen, it will go and reveal locked chats. So you can go and then easily access them again. What we can do though is go and hide locked chats to the top. I'll guide you through it in a moment. So what you can do is go and tap on it, complete the verification, and then you can go and see the locked chats. So you can go and still use them in here. You could tap on it and go and send a message. Or what you could do is go and unlock it by tapping on it, and you can tap the name at the top, scroll down and switch off lock chat, or keep it locked though. What we can do, as I said, is we can go and hide the locked chats at the top here so people don't know we've got locked chats. To go and do that, what you need to do is go to the top right of the locked chats page and you can go and press on settings like so. What you need to do is go and set up a secret code. So we can tap there. I actually already have one, so I'll guide you through how you can set one up. Tap on it, enter in a code. I will go and do an easy one like so to remember. Then you can press next. Then we can go and re-enter it to confirm it, and you can see they match. Then you can go and switch on hide lock chats like so. Then you can go and press use my secret code, enter it in like this. Then we can press done. Now, if we come back, you'll go and see lock chats is now hidden. And if you want to go and find them, you can press search and you can then go and type in the code you made and then it'll reveal and you can still go and access them. So that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.